Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in Home in English 127 Creative Writing. And Home, of course, serves as a bulletin board to our classroom. And let's look at our bulletin board. What do we have in week 12? Our to-do list and modules for April 27th through May 3rd. We have Paul Yoon's 2016 short story, Vladivostok Station. We wrote the essay answering questions. Now we're going to evaluate that essay. We have our Lolita Online Journal, Part 2, Chapters 12 through 17. We're almost done with this book, which will be a big accomplishment for you. You'll have this book in your repertoire. We have our great writing share out, and I'm going to remind you to submit any late work and one more week of amnesty for late work in the COVID-19 era. I know it's so stressful for all of us. Okay, I wanted to remind you I'm over here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, you need to email me. I'm here and I care. All right, so here's hoping we're all safe and well this week in this dreadful COVID-19 era. All right, let's have a good week.